Whether you have just started preparing for CAT or you want to revise for the upcoming CAT examination, one of the key things to find are relevant LRDI sets. Very few sets are available online or in the market which map to the difficulty as well as the type of questions which are actually asked in the CAT examination. What you will find is either the sets are too easy or way too difficult or require some special formula which will help you solve that very quickly. Now, actual CAT examination questions do not do that. They will force you to think, and they will also force you to select between multiple types of questions. Over the next few weeks, we will be releasing over 100 LRDI sets. Now, these sets are going to be freely available on our YouTube channel. You can also take these tests as a sectional test. The link is available in the description of this video. Please do sign up for that course. We'll start releasing that very quickly. Now, the reason why I ask you to take up sectional tests is irrespective of what your strength area is or what your weak area is, you need to decide on the basis of the set which is given to you in the time constraint. For example, you might be really good at Venn diagrams, but if the question is too difficult, you might have to dump it in the actual examination scenario and look at questions in a calculation based DI, which you might not be very familiar with. Or you might see a very unfamiliar set, but it has only 2 or 3 lines. It might actually be worthwhile to look at that question and see if you can get something out of that set, maybe 1 question or 2 questions out of it. Rather than go in with preconceived notions, these type of sectional tests will actually force you to pick your sets properly. If you are running short of time, obviously you can skip to the relevant sets. Each of the videos which we'll be releasing will have links available in the description where if you click on it, you can skip to the relevant set. So for example, you might have to click on 2 minutes to reach the first set, 10 minutes to reach the second set, 20 minutes to reach the third set, and so on. So that sort of traversal is also possible, though it is not recommended. If you get stuck anywhere with respect to preparing for LRDI, there are some free resources which are available on our YouTube channel. We have a playlist on how to prepare for LRDI. It includes which are the topics which you need to focus on, how much do you need to spend on each area. Also, we tell you how to go about picking sets in the examination, right? So if you are not able to pick even a single set, this is a good framework to start with and build on for your CAT LRDI preparation. If you want any further assistance in terms of speaking with us, getting personal guidance, doing more practice, following a more structured path to LRDI preparation, please do look at our Ultimate LRDI course. It's the most comprehensive course available in the market. We have over 500 sets with video solutions, practice sets, daily practice sets, as well as sectional tests as a part of this course. You also get a chance to speak with me and review your preparation across all areas of CAT once you enroll for this particular course. Before I start, I would like you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notifications button so that you are notified when we are releasing our next set of videos. Please do like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. If you want to connect with us, you can connect with us through WhatsApp and Telegram as well. All the relevant links are available in the description of this particular video. We don't run any ads on our channel, so we will need your help to spread our channel and our views through all your student community friends as well as your family. Anyone who's preparing for CAT examination, please do help us reach them.